gotta run. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? What the wind sound like? Ooh, ooh. Let me move it side to side real fast. What up with it? Q hollering at you. For anybody that may or may not care, I got a VP83 phone windscreen replacement. I got the fur as well. But when you get it, you don't see any instructions on how to put this thing on. I couldn't find any online or anything. It seems pretty straightforward, right? But if you just slide it on with the hole right there, it's gonna fly off, of course. Mine all crinkled, my new joint. Amazon, what's up with that? But anyway, you do like that, it might stick on, but you do too much wiggling, boom, it's gonna come right off, right? And I'm holding the mic too, so I apologize if the sound ain't the greatest right now. But what you gotta look for is this little insert on the inside, right here. Let me get that thing in focus, bang. This little insert, this little circle on the inside, that's where you wanna get the mic squeezed around. So you wanna get this whole unit right here inside of the circle, deeper within the phone screen. All right, so I changed the angle up so you can hopefully see what I got going on right here. Don't mean to put y'all in my business, but here you just kind of peel this back, and then really slide it over there. The bones are definitely, so you ain't gotta be too worried about it. It's sparking like crazy. It might look a little stupid, but boom. Once you get it in there, you see how it's hugging over the top right there. You want that to get full coverage, full protection. Flip it to the other side, boom. And with that, you can do all the wiggling you want, and it won't come off. I mean, it might, but you have to be doing something crazy for it to come off. So there you go. That's how you replace this joint. I just thought it might be helpful to some people because I couldn't find it on Google, YouTube, nowhere. Right, second test, we got the foam on here. Like I just showed you how to put it on. So let's should hear a little bit of wind. Now the side to side test. All right, now that I made you dizzy, now we can try out the big boy. Let's throw this fur on there, see what we got going. Finally, we got our fur on here. Let's see what kind of effect we get. Can you still hear me while I'm moving? Go back. Testing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A little bit of natural wind coming in. Do our side to side. All right, there's the test. Hopefully it sounds better. Hopefully I help you with the installation right there. This crazy, no instructions nowhere, so hopefully that helps somebody, because I was a little confused at first. I was like, bro, what? But anyway, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, peace.